Hey Tracy, it's Brittany here from Embroider Me Lethbridge. Hey, I'm so sorry this is taking me so long to get back to you. So they're just not used to doing the hot stamp, so I had to actually go in, contact them, and get the hot stamp pricing from them. So yeah, let's take a look. It's just a little bit, there's a lot of information in here, and I just want to make sure that we go through this well. So we have the very first journal. There's going to be 3 journals, and then there's one other item I wanted to show you that's kind of a surprise, and I'm really excited about it. So we have the Neoskin hardcover journal. So you'd be looking at a quantity of 50 for $12.40, quantity of 100 for $12.15, and a setup of $70. So this would just be a one location hot stamp. The other pricing here, the full coverage front, is just like I said, the full cover. So we'd be looking at $13.80 for a quantity of 50, and then $13.55 for a quantity of 100, and then an $82 setup. So yeah, they're pretty decent. These are the ones that kind of come in your rainbow colors. They're pretty fantastic, kind of similar to the ones that Kim had shown you guys at your BNI presentation. Then if we want to take a look down here, this is the one that I kind of gave you as an example, and I love this color. This one is the Donald hardcover journal combo. So same situation as last. We have a quantity of 50, $12.40, quantity of 100 for $12.15, and a $70 setup, so that would just include the one logo hot stamp front. The other pricing here is your full coverage front, so we'd be looking at $13.80 and $13.55. And then $82 setup, and that would be a full front of the book. This one here has an imprint on the pen. It must be a 4-color process. No 1-color imprint or hot stamp, and we can substitute the pen out for another pen and do a 1-color imprint. So if you're not crazy about the pen, don't worry about it. We can get another pen in for that one. So these ones come in a couple different options, not quite as many as the last one. But still a very good book. I think it would be fantastic for your honeymooners, something like, your honeymoon journal. Everybody likes to document their trip, so this would be a fantastic way to do that. Yeah, so moving on down to the next one here is the Neoskin, another Neoskin hardcover journal. So a great quality journal. So same as last, we're looking at $12.90, a little bit more. They got like more of a shiny finish to them. They're quite sharp. So we'd be looking at a quantity of 50 for $12.90, a quantity of 100 for $12.65, $70 setup, and this would just include your one logo hot stamp on the front. Another option for your full front, $14.30 for your quantity of 50, $14.05 for your quantity of 100, and an $82 setup. And they come in more your neutral colors. These are going to be more popular probably with the bride. But yeah, they're quite fantastic, and I'm really excited about them. And then this is my big surprise. We have the Ashland Madrid rectangular luggage bag tag, adjustable strap, and it's in a pink leatherette, kind of like you had talked about. So I really love the pink. It was kind of hard to find one that was pink that offered a hot stamp. But they're fantastic pricing. You're looking at, 24. You can keep it to a lower, if you just want to start out and just see how it goes. We have $8.35 for the quantity of 24, $8.35 for 50 as well, and then at 100 it kind of gets a little bit better. And then just a $78.75 for the additional setup charge. And then that would be a hot stamp logo, one location, kind of just directly centered on the front there. So yeah, they look fantastic. So if you have any questions or concerns, just give me a shout. I'm always there. You can reach me on email as well. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk soon. Take care, Tracy. Thanks so much.